Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about colorful GeForce RTX 4090 iGame Lab Limited Edition graphics card. So friend, Colorful is launching a new graphics card called iGame Lab, but this model is more of special edition than something that should be put under liquid nitrogen. And the first thing we notice is this model is based on RTX 40 iGame Vulcan GPU, except the cooler shroud is now white, and furthermore this custom model has new stickers no longer mentioning iGame directly, and the card here is RTX 4090 show the current flagship of Ada Lovelace series with AD102 GPU and 24 GB GDDR6X memory, and it is not clear how more power is given to the GPU, but the original Vulcan feature an OC button that unclocks up to 550 watt of power, and according to our information this is a special edition that will only be available in 200 units, and this graphics card will not be sold overseas. It should become exclusively to Asian market. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.